WTI daily. So here's the WTI on a daily. So they had a sell-off. It came from higher prices, bounced back up, finished sort of probably mid-range of the week. And as you can see there, it's a $20 range as far as I can see for the moment. 95s up to 115. Closed around about 105. That doesn't mean that it's going to stay there. Obviously, it's going to depend on how people interpret what's going on with supply and demand for oil. The US are in the driving season now, so is that going to create a lot of demand for gasoline? And if it does, is the supply there? Is there a shortage? Inventories was reasonable. There was a build last week, so I just don't really see the shortage at the moment that makes me want to buy oil. But of course, you just got to be cautious with selling it as well. It's a volatile contract. I've got my own strategies. I've got my own technique for trading oil. I used to be a market maker for both the exchanges, liquidity provider, so I do know oil quite well. So it's probably one of my main products. Here's oil on the 30-minute. So again, it just held within that pivot point to R1 for the whole session. And there I put a couple of levels on. Tomorrow, well, later today really, we'll see where it opens, and then we will get back into the trading. Again, just be careful with oil because of that volatility. Sometimes you have to reduce your size to allow for that extra volatility.